suivez. Mini-jupe et mon quartier.
Merci d'exister.
What's up, guys? This is my first English video on this channel with my cousins,
The boys.
Today we're
Gonna drink Prime.
Yes, we're probably the first Norwegian YouTubers or YouTuber. If Prime send us the sticks, we're fixed.
Yes, this is probably my first and last English video on this channel. We're just trying to reach out to you, Logan, and you, Ksi, and you, Prime, and all you other English people that really likes taste tests and reviews from drinks. I'm pretty stressed out.
Yeah!
Yeah!
And if you like really bad English, just continue watching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're actually from Norway.
Brown cheese.
Brown cheese.
If you get 10 likes, we'll go to New York in the Christmas time.
When we're first and last. Yes. When now we are.
He's having a stroke.
Since you guys already have clicked this video, you can maybe give us a like and maybe subscribe if you want to see more content like this, but on a region.
But if this goes viral,
Yeah,
we'll be back.
we will suddenly be back. But enough talking, boys. I am very excited.
Yeah, and I'm really dehydrated.
I'm really dehydrated.
The good thing about that is that we got the best hydration drink in the game.
Or we're going to test it out today.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe
If it
it's the
Maybe.
best.
We spent like 1,100 Norwegian kroners.
Yeah.
But we are so excited.
Why did you choose this one?
Because I think that's gonna be my least favorite.
First test.
What is the flavor?
This flavor is orange.
Okay.
Så det er appelsin hvis jeg ikke vet hva det er.
Yeah.
Okay, smell test. First prime ever.
But wait, guys, before we do this, how are we going to rate it?
Oh,
We're gonna rate it in
prime bottles.
prime bottles, yeah.
But 1 to 6, but no.
1 to 6,
1 to 6,
no
but no
halves.
halves.
So we can't
Judging.
we can't do like 3.5 or something.
Alright.
Yeah, okay. Cheers.
Ready?
Cheers, guys.
That's a really strong flavor.
Hva soft på engelsk?
Water mix.
Ok, for dere som er norsk, så smaker det veldig sterk saft. I liked it.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that.
I really didn't
Why?
enjoy that. Like orange in soda drinks.
Oh, I see.
No
I
pants.
see.
Fanta is alright, but 2 out of 6 bottles.
Oh, but from now,
But
it can almost go up. What I was trying to say,
I'll give this a 4. It's a natural taste.
I give this a 5.
okay, Samuel, which color is your name is today?
Blue.
Oh, I'm gonna test the blue one.
A
The
blue.
blue
Blue prime.
brand.
This is blue raspberry.
See by the color, it's not artificial coloring.
What is
Yeah,
blue
it is.
raspberry? It's not a fruit. With
Just
that-
test the blue
Yeah.
raspberry.
Cheers.
It can't be natural because it doesn't exist.
Oh. Mm.
What's this, motherfucker?
This one tasted more not natural. I didn't think it was. Yeah, it tasted more unnatural.
A 3. No, not a 3, but not a fucking 3, man.
I'm also gonna give this one a tree with leaves on it. 50%, very nice.
I'm also going to give it a 3.
It didn't reach quite as high as I wanted it. But what is high? Remember?
A 3?
No.
At the moon.
It cannot be the taste of the moon.
It's not the flavor of the moon.
No.
And we guess what it is.
Yeah, you can guess.
It's a very nice. I'm speaking English.
Oh!
Salud.
Salud!
Salud.
going down the throat. Strong flavor. These drinks with not fruit names or any like named names.
What did you mean about everything you said now?
Yes.
Alright,
Yeah.
next one. I want the red one.
Yeah, but you are not going to rate this.
We'll rate it 3.
2. Here we have a prime tropical punch.
I like the color.
So we just crack open this.
How
It
can we
smells
cheer now?
Norway, Norwegian.
Skål.
Skål.
I feel every drink up until now has been like thick.
But it's the coconut water.
It's thicker in your mouth.
No.
But we like it thick.
No, oh yeah.
I cannot understand that it's only 2 grams of sugar.
It tastes so sweet.
I'll rate this a 4 as well.
It's like a 2+ really. I had high expectations.
I also give this a 2.
I'm really excited for the, is it green? The green one?
Let's try that.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh. Lemon lime. I think, okay.
Yamas.
Yeah, man.
We hope that's correct.
Yeah, it's really close to saft.
But it's keep throwing me off that it's thicker.
Like drinking aloe vera.
With it, we can start rating. But yeah, I like this. It's good taste, fresh taste. I'll give it a 5.
Almost a 5 for me as well.
Okay.
But it's a 4. But boys, oh, do you see the same as me?
Yeah,
Yeah, in the ceiling.
Shit,
You know what?
yes.
That-
Just wait there. Just sit still. Sit still. Sit still. Just look up.
It comes down.
Yes!
What did you get from the ceiling, man?
It's the prime grape taste. I've heard like every single person. Okay.
Majority.
I've heard that the majority of the people
Oh, tried it?
who have tried this one have put this on the bottom of
The bottom.
I think it's because grape in drinks. It's a bit weird.
I like
Wine.
Yeah,
Guys.
why?
Wine?
I like grape juice.
Yeah, but you're a weird
Shut the
guy.
fuck up, man.
Why? That's because wine.
No!
No! Yeah, but 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we can just try. Yeah.
Okay. This wasn't as thick as the other ones.
When it first came in my mouth, it was not that good. But when I've swallowed it, and the aftertaste was actually pretty good.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
A 5 out of 6.
Yeah.
But
It's a very, very weak 4. I can feel if I drink this. I can feel. Yeah, I can
Resent.
get kvalm.
like,
Like Bjarne Brønd. No. Spyr. Nei.
Domberget!
For å si å være helt ærlig, så tror jeg ikke smakte det der. Nei, for oss helt faktisk helt forferdelig.
But why did we change place?
Because we like to match when we first have the opportunity.
Boom.
This
Yeah.
is the last one.
This is the ice pop.
Yeah.
It's black. The same smell as the,
Metamoon.
the blue raspberry one.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
And I have heard that too. It's
Yeah.
pretty similar. I have heard it.
It just came in my mouth. It's the same taste as well.
No, it's this tasted better now.
it did.
What the fuck? Okay, drum roll, people. 4 out of 6 for me on the ice pop.
I'll join in on
But,
that.
but I feel like this is a mix-up between
That
this
and that. Yeah.
this spray, the Metamoon, and the punch.
Didn't we do that and now it's empty?
Fuck, we should have done that.
I haven't rated this, but it's pretty similar. But this is on the top. It's like
You can't choose. Okay guys, let's give Prime an overall rating.
I don't think it's overrated. So I think I will give a weak 4.
When I give this a rating, I will
You have used up your English.
straight 4.
not a weak 3, but like towards the lower end of 3. So this is the way I propose to you, Ksi Logan, and sponsor me.
Yeah, we can, yeah.
Let's round it out!
Yeah, thank you, Emil, for inviting us on your channel again.
No problem.
If you like this, please like and subscribe and give us tips on other YouTube ideas.
If you like that we are speaking English now, just write it down in the comments, and we are going to do it again.
If we get 10,000 likes, we will do this again really soon. Yeah.
We are safe.
Yes, we're safe. We are safe.
Very safe. Me as well, so I got to go home and drink some beers to just dehydrate.
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
Yes, dehydrate, not hydrate. But I
Yeah, dehydrate.
Yes.
Yeah, that's my body. Because I'm overhydrated now.
Yes.
1, 2,